So today I have got an exciting video. I have got first DIY sort of advent calendar of the year, but this is not an Essence one, this is not a Catrice one, this is the Notino one. This is Notino X with L'Oreal brand, so like the L'Oreal brand umbrellas. I'm very excited. So by the looks of it, well, I feel like it's L'Oreal brand. Oh, actually no, it's, unless they are all under the L'Oreal brand, or maybe this is just Notino brands they sell. I honestly don't know. Ooh. But this is what it's come looking like. It's in a big box. This cost me £52, so it is a bit, it's over the £50 mark. Yeah, it's over the £50 mark, but we're going to unbox it anyways and see what it's like. Yeah, so I don't know how much that's working out as a deal, because I don't know whether we're getting 25 products or 24. It doesn't, I can't see that it says that. So if it was a 25-day one, it works out at £2. And if it's a 24-day one, it works out at £2.16. So this is working out about £2 a day basically. So let's get into it. It's very heavy, very heavy. So it's just a box. This is a DIY one. So if you bought this, you could maybe get your partner or somebody to make it, or you can make it yourself. It's up to you. So in true DIY form, you are getting your bags, which are really good size bags, red bags as well. I love the colour of them. And your stickers here, so you can make it up as an advent calendar, which I think is absolutely fab actually. And then bags always come in handy. You have got a card about the products here, which I'm not going to look at, to be honest, because, you know, I don't want to be spoiled. So I can kind of see like some of the items and I'm quite excited, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put my hand down, grab one and show you. So first item, we have got the Garnier Hydro Balm Sheet Mask, this one here. Absolutely beautiful. Remember, this is working out at £2 a day. Can I say it? £2 a day. And this, I love the Garnier sheet mask. They're my favourite sheet mask brand. I have had this one. I do really like this one as well. The blue one is my favourite, but yeah, I'm actually buzzing. This is for the dry and sensitive skin. It's been ages since I've had to buy a face mask, so if any of you know how much these are, let me know. But I feel like that's worth £2. Next we have something, I've never had this brand before, so I think this must be Notino brands that they sell. This is the Mixa Sensitive Skin Expert Sheer Nourish Hand and Nail Cream for very dry skin. This sounds like something I definitely could use. It says instant roughness relief, instant hydration, soft after washing. It's got glycerin and shea butter in, so I feel like that is something I can use. It doesn't seem like it has too many fragrances in it. It does have a mild fragrance. It's quite a thin texture. Yeah, it does have a mild fragrance, so I don't know whether that is something I could use or not. I would have to try it and see, basically. Next item is the one that I was talking about, the Garnier Hydro Balm Sheet Mask. Can I just say that is a good size? Do you guys not think, for hand cream? I mean, this is the Super Hydrating Replumping Hyaluronic Acid, and this one is the one I love. It's for dehydrated skin. My skin is always dehydrated and dry, so yeah, I love that. Everyone in the mother has tried that one. Then next is something that I do like. I think this is a good micellar water. It's one of the ones up there. My niece absolutely loves this, so I probably will gift this to my niece. And this is just the Garnier Micellar Water in the 100ml. And I feel like everyone and their mother has tried this as well. But this is a good staple product. Next is something I'm very excited about. It's just a small size, but even at this size, I feel like the travel sizes of this is quite pricey. But this is the L'Oreal L-Net. It says it's 150ml in a 75ml can. Do you think that's true? Like they've compressed it into that can. I don't know whether that's true or not, but I mean, you know, but it's the L'Oreal L-Net hairspray. We have got the Dream Lengths Dream Bigs. This is L'Oreal Dream Lengths basically, but obviously this is their packaging, because I think a lot of you said that Notino, I can't remember the country now, but Notino is like under a different country. But this is their, either their shampoo or their conditioner, but I think it's the conditioner. I do have the other So we do get both on separate days. Fab. Look at the size of these though. I mean, how amazing is that? I'm actually over the moon with them. So day number 8 we're on is another sheet mask. So this is our third sheet mask. This is the Garnier 2 Million Probiotics Fractions Repairing Sheet Mask. I've never tried this. It says it's got supercharged with probiotic fractions. Quite excited about trying this. I've never tried this, so yeah. So that was number 8. Day number 9. Okay, we've got another shampoo. I feel like we've got a shampoo and conditioner already, so we don't need another one. This is the Garnier Fructis Vitamin and Strength Reinforcing Shampoo. I wonder if we'll get another conditioner. At the minute I can't see it. This stuff, maybe if it is, it might be underneath something. So next we've got day number 10, we've got the 6-in-1 Protection Skin Plus Clothes. So this is a deodorant. It's a mineral deodorant and it's in a spray one. I've never seen this. Yeah, I didn't even know Garnier done deodorant. So that is day number 10. Good size as well. Day number 11, we've got the conditioner. I'm quite excited about trying this. This is the Garnier Fructis Vitamin and Strength Reinforcing Conditioner. So we did get that. I can't remember what day we're on. This is the only thing when you're not opening a day. 11. It's 11. Yeah, so I'm excited about trying that. So we want day number 12. I feel like we're getting down to the little bits now. We have got a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Okay, so I don't feel like you should have concealer in a advent calendar, in my opinion. I'm quite a pale person, so normally the shades they put in are normally a little bit too dark for me, but then if you're a darker person, then definitely going to be too light. But I'm sure you could, at the price of this calendar and what we've had up to now, I'm sure this one product that's skin tone related, you could maybe gift to somebody you know that it might work, or you could use it as a base for eyeshadows. But I definitely don't think they should have a concealer in. Definitely not concealer. I can get away with blushers, bronzers and stuff, so I feel like you can use them as eyeshadows, but I definitely think skin tone related should not be in. Even pale people, there's so many differences in paleness and there's so many differences in dark tones, you know, your skin tone. There's so many different skin tones, you know. But it is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I've never tried this, but I think it might be a bit dark for me, but I'll see. If it is dark for me, I'll give it my friend Sarah. Something I've actually wanted to try, but like I say, I just don't think that should be in. So I feel like that was day number 12. We have got next another sheet mask, but these are eye masks. And this is day number 13, and it is the Garnier Hyaluronic Cryolo Jelly Anti-Fatigue Jelly Eye Mask. So I'm quite excited about these. I do like the Garnier eye masks. I have tried Garnier eye masks before. So that's 13, isn't it? So we want day number 14. We've got another hand cream, another Garnier product. I feel like we've had a lot of Garnier. 14, am I right? This is the Hand Superfood 48-hour Nourishing Balm. Resistant to hand washing. Oh, so your hands will still feel like moisturized even though you've washed your hands. I like that. And this tube is integrated cardboard, which is very bizarre. The sizes of everything have been amazing in this, like amazing. So that was 14. We're on 15. We have got the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mini Mascara. I feel like this is basically our first like mini product we've had. I can't get over how good this calendar has been opened out, apart from the concealer. I'm going to put a picture of the one here. I'm not going to open this because, I mean, I've got loads of mascaras open. Was that 14? Was that 15? I think we're on 16. 15, 16? I honestly don't know. I think we're on 16. The next item is the Mika Sensitive Skin Sensitive Skin Expert. How could I not say that? How could I not say that? Is the Bi-Phase Cleanser. Sensitive eyes and lids or contact wearers. So it's suitable for them. Removes makeup without rubbing, suitable for waterproof makeup, and it's one of them ones you thinking like that. Okay, so we've got another brand from this brand. I've never heard of this brand, but it says in France since 1924. So I'm quite excited about trying a new brand and a new product. So yeah, I quite like that. So that was 16. We went day number 17, which we've got another Garnier product, but is the Mineral New Hyaluronic Care 72-hour Sensitive Anti-Perspirant. Honestly, I do not need any roll on this, like, next year. I have got so many deodorants. I literally was out of deodorant not last week, the week before. And last couple of, like, advent calendars, I've had so many deodorants. And I'm not complaining because it's saving me money for the year. So I'm excited about trying this mineral deodorant. So it is antiperspirant. It's 0% alcohol and it lets your skin breathe. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. It was 16, 17? Number 18, we've got the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Cooling Eye Serum Mask. I'm quite excited about this. I feel like I've got this already from the L'Oreal Advent Calendar, but I am quite excited about this because I have seen loads of people using the L'Oreal retinol things. I really want that. I really want that. So yeah, 17, 18, I honestly can't remember what number one. It's 19. Right, day number 20. We have got something from Essie. We have got a nail polish. So this is our first Essie product. I feel like this is just like a nice sheer wash of like a pinky toned nude. I love Essie brushes. It's the style of brush that I do like. I very rarely wear nail polish. My nails are so short at the minute. I'm trying to keep them short because I have to have no nails for my operation that I'm having. Yeah, so I'm just keeping them like basically nothing at the minute. Yeah, but I do like to have some like acrylics or gel polish or builder gel on my nails. And yeah, that is such a nice colour just if you wanted a sheer wash of something, but I don't really use nail polish. Next, day 21, we have got the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Cream Brulee. Really nice product, kind of a cult classic type of product. So yeah, nice product to get. I feel like that's the full size as well at the £2 a day. And then we next product, which is 22. I count how many products we get at the end, is the NYX Professional Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Cans. And this is what it looks like, yeah. So hopefully you can work out the colour. I think that will go lovely with the butter gloss, so I feel like they kind of combined. Next, we have got something that looks scary. It's in like bright packaging, but it's actually black. It is the Maybelline New Look, the Colossal Kajal 12-Hour Extra Black Liner. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I don't wear eyeliner, so I'm not going to swatch this because it'd just be wasteful. I've had the same eyeliner for God knows how long. I should probably hide it in the bin. That's how long I've had it. I just don't wear eyeliner. So yeah, nice product to get, very capsic, and a lot of people do wear eyeliner. And in that advent calendar, in my opinion, on a good day, granted, like, I was just grabbing them randomly, but we have got the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara, and I've never tried this mascara, believe it or not. I am a mascara junkie. I've never tried this mascara, so I'm so excited about this. I put an image of the wand here, but I know loads of people love this mascara. I've never tried it, so I'm actually really excited about owning this and trying it because I am a mascara junkie and I can't believe I've never tried it. Right, I'm going to count the products and then I'll give you my thoughts. Count of my items, like 3 or 4 items now, and I feel like I'm missing an item because I feel like I have 23 items, and I don't know whether this voucher, because we've got here, is a 30% off your next order on any of these brands, is like the 24th item. I'm going to have to look up because I think I may be missing a item out of my calendar. It could be lost on the floor. I've got a lot around me, so please don't judge that. I'll put it on the screen if I am missing an item, or if this is like the 24th product, or have I, if you have watched this, have I shown 24 items? I honestly don't know. But even though, like, with that little mix up that's went on there, honestly, I feel like I've put somewhere. I could be missing an item, or that voucher could be the last day. If that voucher is the last day, I will say that's a cop-out in my opinion, just saying. But just counting that it's a mix-up or I've lost it on the floor, I think this is the best advent calendar I've unboxed this year. Everything is full size, and I will say, I cannot believe they put a concealer in. Like, I don't mind blush bronzer product, but a concealer, I kind of can't, like, say where you can use it on your eyes, things like that. But I mean, you could use it as an eyeshadow base, but it's still, you shouldn't put a concealer in an advent calendar, in my opinion, just simple. But if you take that out of the equation, and then my lost item, every item is full size, and it works out at £2 a day. Other than the Holland & Barrett calendar, this is like the next one, because the Holland Barrett is technically cheaper, but this is not much more expensive than the Holland Barrett. And see, I feel like the Holland Barrett is more for like natural brands, good for you brands, things like that, whereas this is like multi-brands. So wow, like, I'm sorry, but this advent calendar here is putting like £100 advent calendars, in my opinion, to shame. If you haven't bought your advent calendar yet, I think this is the one. Like, I really do. I definitely think I need to do an advent calendar video on anyways, but wow. But there is that fact that you're making it yourself, so they're saving money. But you could buy it and get somebody to put the stuff in the bags. And I mean, I'm not being funny, but we all know what we're getting with advent calendars. And we just hope that we forget in the December, which normally we do, don't we? Because we all watch the unboxings of the advent calendars we're buying, you know? Just saying, we do. Let me know what you think of this advent calendar. I will put it in the description box below if I miss an item or if I've lost an item on this floor. But I think this is amazing. Notino, you have killed it with this advent calendar, like absolutely amazing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.